15 people were injured after an Air Force fighter jet accidentally misfired artillery shells during a live fire drill in Pocheon, north of Seoul. The accident occurred at around 10 a.m. when a KF-16 fighter jet participating in the drill dropped 8 artillery shells outside the training range, damaging multiple buildings and causing panic among local residents. The drill was conducted ahead of Freedom Shield, the annual joint military exercise between South Korea and the U.S., set to begin next week. An Air Force official stated that the pilot had mistakenly entered incorrect coordinates during pre-flight preparations. The Air Force has launched an investigation into the incident and apologized for the damages. All 15 injured individuals were taken to nearby hospitals for treatment.